crash course on China's cultural heritage and its preservation and promotion. China is a country with a rich cultural heritage that dates back thousands of years. From its ancient traditions and customs to its modern innovations and advancements, Chinese culture has been shaped by a variety of factors over the centuries. In this article, we will explore China's cultural heritage, its preservation and promotion, some interesting stories or examples, and the top 12 cultural heritage sites in China. China's cultural heritage and its preservation and promotion. China's cultural heritage is a vast and complex web of traditions, customs, beliefs, and practices that have been passed down from generation to generation. From the ancient practices of Confucianism and Taoism to the modern innovations of Chinese medicine and martial arts, China's cultural heritage is a source of pride and inspiration for many. However, preserving and promoting this heritage has not always been easy. In the past, many aspects of Chinese culture were suppressed or even outlawed by foreign powers or Chinese leaders who saw them as a threat to modernization and progress. However, in recent years, there has been a renewed interest in China's cultural heritage, and efforts are being made to preserve and promote it for future generations. One example of China's efforts to preserve its cultural heritage is the creation of the National Cultural Heritage Administration, NCHA, in 2018. The NCHA is responsible for overseeing the protection and management of China's cultural heritage sites, artifacts, and intangible cultural heritage, such as traditional crafts and performances. Another example is the promotion of Chinese culture through international events such as the Beijing Olympics in 2008 and the World Expo in Shanghai in 2010. These events showcased China's rich cultural heritage and helped to raise awareness of its importance both domestically and internationally. Interesting stories or examples. One of the most interesting stories in Chinese cultural heritage is the legend of the Monkey King. The Monkey King is a character from the classic Chinese novel Journey to the West, written in the 16th century. The story follows the adventures of the Monkey King, who possesses magical powers and is sent on a journey to retrieve Buddhist scriptures from India. The Monkey King is a beloved character in Chinese culture and has inspired countless adaptations and spin-offs, including movies, TV shows, and video games. His story is a testament to the enduring appeal of Chinese mythology and folklore. Another interesting example is the art of paper cutting, a traditional Chinese craft that has been practiced for over 1,500 years. Paper cutting involves using scissors or a knife to cut intricate designs into paper, often depicting animals, flowers, or scenes from Chinese mythology. Paper cutting is a popular folk art in China, and many artists continue to practice and refine their skills today. The art form has also spread to other parts of the world and has been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. Top 12 China's cultural heritage and preservation. 1. The Great Wall of China. This iconic landmark is one of China's most famous cultural heritage sites. Built over 2,000 years ago, the Great Wall stretches over 13,000 miles and is a testament to China's military and engineering prowess. 2. The Forbidden City. This imperial palace complex was home to China's emperors for over 500 years and is a masterpiece of traditional Chinese architecture and design. 3. The Terracotta Army. Discovered in 1974. This collection of life-size terracotta figures was created over 2,000 years ago to protect the tomb of Emperor Qin Shi Huang. 4. The Summer Palace. This scenic imperial garden is a popular tourist attraction and is renowned for its beautiful pavilions, bridges, and lakes. 5. The Peking Opera. This traditional form of Chinese opera combines music, dance, and acrobatics and has been performed for over 200 years. 6. The Confucius Temple and Cemetery. Located in Qufu, the birthplace of Confucius, this site is a pilgrimage destination for those who follow the teachings of Confucianism. 7. The Leshan Giant Buddha. Carved into a cliff face in Sichuan province, this enormous statue of Buddha is over 1,200 years old and is one of the largest stone Buddha statues in the world. 8. The Dunhuang Mogao Caves. These ancient caves are home to some of the finest examples of Buddhist art in China and contain over 2,000 painted statues and murals. 9. The Longmen Grottos. Located near Luoyang, These grottos contain over 100,000 Buddhist statues and carvings and are considered one of the greatest examples of Chinese Buddhist art. 10. The Wangshen Mountains. Known as the Yellow Mountains, these scenic peaks have inspired poets and artists for centuries and are a popular destination for hikers and nature lovers. 11. The Shaolin Temple. This famous temple is home to the Shaolin style of martial arts and has been a center of Buddhist learning and practice for over 1,500 years. 12. The Beijing Hutongs. These historic alleyways and courtyard houses are a glimpse into traditional Chinese life and culture and are rapidly disappearing due to urbanization and development. These cultural heritage sites are just a small sample of the many treasures that China has to offer. They are a testament to China's rich history and cultural diversity, and are a source of inspiration and wonder for people around the world. In summary, China is a country with a rich cultural heritage that spans thousands of years. Its traditions, customs, beliefs, and practices have been passed down from generation to generation, shaping the country's identity and inspiring people around the world. In recent years, China has made significant efforts to preserve and promote its cultural heritage, creating organizations like the National Cultural Heritage Administration and promoting its culture through international events like the Beijing Olympics and World Expo in Shanghai. Examples of Chinese cultural heritage include the legend of the Monkey King, the art of paper cutting, and iconic sites like the Great Wall of China, the Forbidden City, and the Terracotta Army. These sites and cultural practices are a testament to China's rich history and cultural diversity, and serve as a source of inspiration and wonder for people around the world. China's culture, vast and grand. A legacy for all the land. From ancient customs to modern flair, it's a source of pride beyond compare. The Monkey King, with magical might, entertains us day and night, and paper cutting's intricate design has captured hearts for centuries' time. The Great Wall stands strong and true, a testament to what China can do. The Terracotta Army, a wonder to see, guarding the tomb for eternity. From Shaolin Kung Fu to Beijing's Hutongs, these cultural treasures are where China belongs. A rich tapestry of art and lore. Its beauty and diversity, we can't ignore, preserving and promoting with great care, for future generations to share. China's culture is a precious thing, a legacy that will forever sing. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.